This presentation is about a language for modeling value networks. The language is called VDML, Value Delivery Modeling Language. It's a language that's pretty similar to REA in the sense that it includes similar concepts such as actors and resources and exchanges of resources. But it is simpler than REA, and it has an advantage in that it provides a simple graphical notation through which you can produce very compact diagrams that fit into a single page and offers a good overview of a value network. VDML has been developed by OMG, the Object Management Group, and that's also the organization that developed UML, the Unified Modeling Language, and they say that the purpose of VDML is to provide a modeling language for analysis and design of the operation of an enterprise, and it focuses on the creation and exchange of value. We will not look into all the different parts of VDML. It contains many sub-languages, and here we are only looking at one kind of diagram, the value proposition exchange diagram. And that's a kind of diagram showing how products and services are exchanged among participants, among actors in a network. And the purpose here is to explain how these participants are related to each other and how they benefit from participating in the network. To the right here, we see again the example of the catering firm. The catering firm, it buys dishes from a dish supplier, paying money to them. It says it's money value proposition. VP stands for value proposition. Similarly, it buys beverages from a beverage supplier. It combines the dishes and the beverages into meals, and it sells the meals to consumers and returns money back. Okay. What we have seen here, and it's the same diagram here to the right, is the very simplest form of a value proposition exchange diagram. It only shows the names of the value propositions. And here it's only the names of deliverables. Okay, this is nice in one sense because it's very compact. You get a good overview, not a lot of details. It's not a cluttered diagram, but of course, it's not very informative. So you could wish to extend it a bit. And here's one extension. It's essentially the same as the previous diagram, but it shows for the meal value proposition what is included there. It says that a meal consists of 3 dishes and 2 beverages. Okay, it's a little more than the previous one, not much more, but at least something. It says what is included in each value proposition, but it doesn't tell why a value proposition is valuable, why a customer would really like to have exactly that value proposition. So we could try to extend it a bit more and also address the why question. So here it is further extended. It's more informative, this diagram, than the previous ones. It tells also why this meal value proposition is valuable by describing some of its properties. It says, for example, that the dishes, they are fresh and light, the beverages, they are healthy, and it also says that they are all attractively packaged. So this addresses the motivation, the justification, why is this a good VP? And as a final exercise, think about the dish VPs and the beverage VP and how these could be described addressing the why question.